What is good, YouTube? Back at you guys with another quick install vid. I relocated my gauges up here to the risers. I did get this block off plate here on my dash from Harry Customs. Those of you guys who have a lowrider and are in the lowrider forums and the groups might be fairly familiar with Jeremy, who owns Harry Customs. He does a bunch of custom work, custom little pieces and stuff for the lowrider S, from the fork shims to block off plates and a bunch of various other little things. All the the little block off plates for the struts when you get rid of your turn signals. I did install this here on my bike, and don't get me wrong, the quality of it is nice and everything. I just don't like how it looks aesthetically. So like for me, it's a little too bulky for, you know, just for my preference. So I was perusing, or is that how you say it? Perusing or looking around online. We'll go with that. I was looking around online and I came across OG Moto, which I have a couple of their parts on my bike already. Didn't come across the company per se, but just something that they do. They make block off plates. So I got a block off plate for the top. Also got, well, a block off plate for the top and the bottom, right? So two block off plates for those, for my dash, right? This one here in particular is for the quad lock. It already has the mount on there. So essentially we just screw it and they send it to you with the mount and the vibration dampener, all that good stuff. So shout out to OG Moto. I really recommend those guys. Everything I've ordered from them or bought from them is top quality, and they also warranty their parts for a year. So check them out if you haven't. And it's all real good quality stuff, real clean CNC machining work. So go check them out. But yeah, let's get these things installed, get that plate current dash off that I have with the Power Vision on there. Like I said, great quality by Jeremy over at Harry Customs. It's just aesthetically not working for me. So let's get this off. Jobs like this thing right here has come in clutch for me. I ordered this from Amazon. It's just a little Sonex tool, mini ratchet and bit set, and it comes with a bunch of little Torx bits, security bits. You can't beat it. I bought this thing years ago. I take it on the road with me everywhere I go. It fits like all the housing, perch clamps, things like that. And it's just been clutch over the years, man. But it's small. You can throw it in your bar bag and a saddle bag, take it with you on the road. Those nice little long distance trips. And it's like I said, clutch. Every time I've needed to like adjust stuff on my handlebars, little stuff here and there, I've had the bit here. Dash is off. Let's go to the next station. Oh, that would have been good right there. It's the one with the quad lock. And I think that'll be like a much cleaner look. Like other block off plate here, one with the quad lock. You see they send you nice hardware there. They send you the quad lock with the vibration dampener. Trying to hurry up, do this install. My boy Marshall's coming over. This fat boy's right here, right behind you guys. We're about to do a cam install on his bike. It's crazy, man. This will be the third cam I'm installing. Started on my bike, did my boy Eric's bike. Now I'm doing my boy Marshall's bike. That third time's a charm. After that, oh, I keep about to drop this thing. After that, I think I'm ready to start doing cam installs here in the garage. Start, taking on some customers, so to speak. We're doing a Thunder Max on that thing too. A little anxious to get that thing installed and see how it sounds. So that's the type of content you're into, or you guys are interested in it, hit that subscribe button on the channel. You got to reuse this bucket from the original mount. You got to use this to screw into. So this is it right here out of the box. Well, out of the packaging. They do send them with a nice seal right there so you won't get any water in there. And yeah, that's gonna look a lot cleaner right there. The only thing that's gonna bother me now is that these are stainless. And my Bamco bolts here are powder coated red, so that's gonna bother the shit out of me. Like, I just know the way I am. So the one with the quad lock, it doesn't have the gasket on there, but they do send the gasket with it. You gotta peel it off kind of like a sticker. Just try to get this thing on there as best we can. Pretty much it right there. What do you guys think? I think it looks a lot cleaner than that the Power Vision plate. Let's get on the bike. So this is real nice. See the quad lock vibration dampener. Screws right to the top of that block off plate. Vibration dampener. So essentially that's what we're looking at when we ride. Phone right there. I also like that it'll clean the handlebars up. So like up here, you don't have nothing all on that handlebar. It's clean. I won't have that phone mount up here no more. All mounted down here. I really like the way that looks. I think it's a lot cleaner. Hell yeah. I mean, that's gonna pretty much wrap it up. I'm gonna get my seat on. I'm gonna get my seat put back on the bike, clean this up a little bit here. Once again, appreciate you guys tuning in. Views are up on the channel, so I appreciate that. I haven't been as consistent as I should be, but I appreciate, you know, anybody that stops by and checks the content out. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next vid. Peace.